So it's Vinayak Chaturthi tomorrow. So Ramesh, how do you feel about it? I know that you enjoyed it as a child living in Pune, Maharashtra, where this is Ganesh Chaturthi is such a big thing.
Yeah, growing up, I saw Diwali and Ganesh Chaturthi as major festivals. It was not Onam or Vishu, because as Mallu's living in Pune, it was kind of like taken over by Ganesh Chaturthi. So Ganesh Chaturthi in our colony used to be, we had a clubhouse where the functions are held, and each of those 10 days, obviously there's a lot of bhajans and a lot of pujas and all that, but after all that there is obviously a lot of sweets distributed at the end of it. So I remember going for all that. Much later, while living in Bombay, I have seen the Lal Baghcha Raja and those kinds of processions and Ganesh processions, and I think that's very much part of it. And of course it has become much more noisy when in Bombay when all these things happen, but it's much quieter during my childhood days in Pune. But having said that, the association with food was very much there. Even in Ganesh Chaturthi, our neighbors or some we would go and visit when they would keep the Ganpati in their house, and they would invite and we'd go, and then of course the whole thing would end up in Puran Poli and things like that. Puran Poli is some kind of a stuffed paratha, if you like, of made with jaggery and coconut. And of course the modak. So modak, I remember, last year we actually did modaks, and we experimented with modaks with black rice. You remember that?
Yeah, we did the black rice and the white. So tomorrow we are again experimenting.
Oh really?
Yeah, we'll do it again, mainly with the white rice. Possibly.
Do you have the mold for that?
We have that mold.
Okay.
And we also do the hand one, that is what Nitya calls pidi korukkattai. So Tamil Nadu, that is more popular.
Not the one with the mold.
The mold one is being done, but the pidi korukkattai, where you just get the flour, into it the coconut and the jaggery filling, and make a fist. Pidi.
Yeah.
To hold. Right. So we'll be making both.
So it'll be shapeless basically.
No, it's like your fist.
Yeah, okay.
So it's not a mold shape. So let's
not
see.
As pretty.
Yeah, let's see. Let's try with another flour other than our white flour, maybe the white flour, plus maybe let's say ragi or black rice. I don't think we have black rice at home, flour right now. So the ragi one we should try and see how it comes out.
And that's the beauty of it, right? So I'm sure when going back, when modaks and other things became popular, I'm sure they were sticking to some of the rices at that time. And it'd be nice to actually try it out, maybe with Indrayani or some of those Maharashtrian rices as well.
Yeah, it should be.
They will have the consistency,
Yeah, definitely it would have. And I guess traditionally it might have been made with Ambe Mohar. I don't know. It'd be interesting to know.
Rices, yeah.
Yeah, it'd be fascinating to know with what rice variety the Maharashtrians made modak
used to make it at that time.
Yeah, that's something to. I think I should
probably ask some of our Maharashtrian friends also.
And I will get some details.
Yeah. So anyway, happy Vinayak Chaturthi to everybody, and enjoy your modaks in whatever shape or form you make. But as you know, it extends across 10 days. So our challenge to each of us is to kind of try different rices, different rice flours, and wonder whether we can actually make these modaks out of the other forms of jaggery as well. Like it's not just the natu sakkare or the sugarcane jaggery, but you can make it with palm sugar
palm
or
jaggery.
Palm jaggery. It'll be interesting. Karipatti, no?
Yes.
Is it possible? Have we had it before? Have we done it before?
We can do it tomorrow.
Yeah, we can try that. I think there is. So somehow we are crazy about adding diversity to every festival that we have. And what else?
All festivals are festivals of diversity for us.
Exactly, and why
and
not?
Organic, of course.
And why not when you're living in a country which is so diverse and so beautifully and so rich in heritage and culture? Why not?